Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of water softeners. Have you ever wondered how a water softener works? Let's break it down. At its core, a water softener is designed to combat the stubborn minerals found in hard water. These minerals, primarily calcium and magnesium, are responsible for those pesky buildups on your faucets, dishes, and inside your appliances. The water softening process begins in the mineral tank, filled with resin beads. These beads carry a negative charge. As water flows through the tank, the positively charged calcium and magnesium ions are attracted to the resin beads. This interaction replaces the hardness ions in the water with sodium or potassium ions from the resin beads. This exchange process is known as ion exchange. Now, you might wonder what happens when the resin beads become saturated with hardness ions. Here's where regeneration comes into play. The system is equipped with a brine tank containing a high concentration of salt solution. During regeneration, the salty brine mixture is flushed through the resin tank, cleansing it of the accumulated hardness ions. The sodium or potassium ions replenish the resin beads, allowing them to continue softening your water. After the regeneration cycle, the brine solution is rinsed away, and the system is ready to take on more hard water, maintaining a continuous supply of softened water for your home. It's essential to keep the brine tank filled with salt to ensure that your water softener operates efficiently. Water softeners not only protect your plumbing from scale buildup, but also enhance the effectiveness of soaps and detergents, saving you money on cleaning products. Plus, they'll prolong the life of your appliances, like dishwashers and water heaters. So, if you're dealing with hard water woes, a water softener could be the solution you need. We hope this explanation of how a water softener works has shed some light on a complex, yet vital, home appliance. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching.